Well. Hey Chi-Chi, welcome back to your channel, girl, cause everybody else been here and been subscribed, but you've been on a hot girl summer, haven't ya? Hey guys, Chi-Chi here, welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe. Yeah, I know. We're not even gonna address what's been going on in my absence, but in my defense, it is my birthday, so yeah, I've been basically partying and going out to dinners and traveling. I went to Barbados for my birthday, but yeah, you guys don't need to know all of that. But what I have been doing also, I've been shopping. I've been shopping at Fashionphile. So this is going to be a very, very tiny unboxing, reveal, haul from Fashionphile. So let's just get into the products. The first item that I ended up buying came from Chanel. I've already been wearing it, and if you look closely, I already have it on. Yes, I bought another Chanel brooch. It came with the box, came with its dust bag. I didn't want to package it up and then it's a reveal. No, I've been wearing it. It's on my jacket. But yeah, I really dig this Chanel brooch. This is my second Chanel brooch. I thought this was cool. I wanted a little more gold, a little bit more sparkle, and this just does it for me. So I'm really digging all of my pin action. You know, I have my for the culture pins, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the Chanel just jazzes it up a bit. I just want to stand up and actually get into the pin with you guys. Don't you like my body? This is the Chanel brooch in all of its glory. It's the light gold, but I like how it's intertwined, and I just like how it's set up. It's like not flat, and it's just a pretty brooch. Like, these are the rest of my brooches, just in case. You know, we got Jody from Daria. I'm a huge Daria fan, and it's coming back. And Tracy Ellis Ross will be voicing that. This is Zaria, not Daria. You know, she gotta be black with an afro. And this is my homies pin, not friends. Homies. But yeah, this is the Chanel brooch. Really, really dig it. I've been on a brooch quest since the end of December of 2018 till now, and clearly it's still going strong. But yeah, Chanel brooch, love it. Glad I got it. So the second item, I can actually do a good reveal, unboxing, blah, 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 whatever. I did have all the boxes and stuff, but you know, I'm not trying to keep all that. You guys know what a Fashionphile box looks like. But this is what it came with. However, I bought this one second, and I realized I didn't get a dust bag for the Chanel box, so I don't know. Fashionphile, y'all be playing me with y'all dust bags, for real. Like, I had to fight hard for my Gucci one. I'm just saying, but yes, this item came in their dust bag, and it is Louis Vuitton. Hopefully that sticker won't give it away. And this is something real small, and it is a bag charm. I'm a sucker for bag charms. I'm a sucker for brooches. I know myself, okay? Okay, we're not gonna discuss that, but this is the upside down bag charm, and I love this collection. It is just, can we just look at it? It's so pretty. It's got the matte black on the back, the gunmetal hardware. This is fire. This is fire. I knew I wanted a piece from this collection, and you know, these prices nowadays is just like, girl, the hell. I wanted the Apollo PM like little pochette, but that thing was just ridiculously priced, and I was like, no. This one, however, I got for under box. Okay, that's sneaker talk. I got this under retail. That's the only reason why I purchased it, because I was like, oh wow, some we got a discount going on. You know, I love a discount. So I saw this, it was on sale, and I was like, you know what, self, yes. Click in the cart. So now it's mine. Now the funny thing with me and bag charms is that a lot of the times when I purchase my bag charms, I don't have anything to put it on. And it kind of motivates me to purchase something else, or is like my future self is looking out for present self. So when present lines up with future, I already have it. Izzy and Will know my logic behind that. I'm always looking out for future. Okay, so yeah, I ended up getting this. This also came with, you know, box and dust bag. So yeah, this is just really, really cute. So the clear look, I haven't even popped the tag, and it's been sitting in this box. But yeah, it's just a cute little haul. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry about my absence. Why am I apologizing for that? No, I'm not sorry for my absence. Y'all know when y'all signed up and subscribed that I am inconsistent, but you guys still love me and support me. So I'm just saying, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know, all that good stuff. And I will talk to you in the next video.